Good morning, students. Today we have to see the next point under the comparing quantities, that is finding the increase or decrease percentage. Okay. In previous lecture or previous video we have seen about the percentage, how we have to find the percentage. Now here we have to find the increase or decrease in percentage. So for that purpose I have taken one very simple numerator. The price of scooter was rupees 34,000 last year. Now it was increased by 20% of this year. What is the price now? Okay. So given last year price of scooters was rupees 34,000. Okay. Last year price of scooter was 34,000, but it was increased by 20%. Means percent increased, which is equal to 20% of this original price. Okay, of 34,000. Okay, so 20% of 34,000. Okay, they have given it was increased by 20% this year. So 20% of original price. So 20 percentage by definition 20 by 100 into 34,000. Two zeros, these two zeros. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Okay, which is 0 and 0. So rupees 8,800. 8,800. Okay, 6,800. It is the increased price in the original price. The original price of scooter was 34,000. But if 20% is increased, we got 6,800. So we have to add this increased price in original price. So what is the price of this now? So what is the price of this now? अभी उसकी प्राइस कितनी है? So the price now is equal to old price plus percent increased. Okay, old price is rupees 34,000 plus increased price rupees 6,800. Okay, now we have to add this. These two are zeros. 8 here, 6 0 1. Okay, so 40,800 rupees. Okay, so now the price of scooter in this year is 40,800. Okay, the price of scooter was rupees 34,000, but in that it was increased by 20%. इसमें 20% प्राइस इंक्रीज किया है. ओके, तो 20% of original price is that much, and we have to just add in original price. Okay, which is nothing but the price increased. Understood? Now in same numerical we have to see how the decrease percentage we have to find. Now simply we have to change. If the numerical is same, the price of scooter was rupees 34,000. The last year it was decreased by, we have to only change one word. It was decreased by 5%. It was decreased by 5% of this year. What is the price now? Okay, same. Original price of scooter was rupees 34,000. Okay, last year इतनी प्राइस थी स्कूटर की 34,000. Okay, वो बन गई ओरिजिनल प्राइस. Now it was decreased by 5% this year. तो इस साल कितना डिक्रीज हुआ? 5%. So decreased परसेंटेज विच इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा 5% ऑफ ओरिजिनल प्राइस 5% ऑफ ओरिजिनल प्राइस तो 5% by percent definition 500 into original price 34,000 two zeros these two zeros get cancelled 500 5 fours are 20 5 threes are 15 plus 2 70 okay so I got rupees 1700 okay it is the percent decrease means we have to reduce this price from original price okay so price of scooter now which is equal to original price minus reduced price or percentage okay so original price is 34,000 minus rupees 1700 okay तो कितनी आएगी 34,000 rupees 1700 0 0 3313 okay तो rupees 30,300 okay so what is the change in decreased percentage means we have to reduce the original price from reduced percentage or decreased percentage if the percentage decrease is given we have to calculate percent decrease from the original price and we have to just subtract or reduce from original price we got the reduced price in last year okay so it is the decreased percentage increase and decrease very simple in increase percentage we have to just after finding the increase percentage we have to just add in original price and in decrease percentage we have to just subtract from original price okay it is the difference between them understood okay now we have to see the next point next point is discount okay discount how we have to find the discount is very similar or well known word okay if we go in shop अगर शॉप में हम जाते हैं कोई भी चीज खरीदते तो उस पर कुछ तो डिस्काउंट देता है शॉपकीपर okay which is nothing but the discount means if one price of your t-shirt is rupees suppose 100 rupees t-shirt price is 100 rupees which is the mark price which is label price on that t-shirt if the shopkeeper allows a discount is 10% shopkeeper allows you a discount is 10% on your mark price means label price of the t-shirt what we have to do the 10% of this we have to reduce from original price and you give the money to the shopkeeper मीन्स 100 रुपीज आप नहीं दोगे शॉपकीपर को कितने देंगे 10% रिड्यूस करने के बाद मीन्स डिस्काउंट देने के बाद डिस्काउंट मीन्स सब प्राइस which is reduced from the original price okay which is nothing but the discount now how we have to find the discount suppose numerical लेता हूं discount is equal to mark price minus selling price which is nothing but discount is equal to mark price minus selling price it is the formula now and discount percent, which is equal to discount upon market price into 100. Okay, these are the two formulas very important under the discount. Discount is equal to market price minus selling price, means MP minus SP, and discount percent is equal to discount upon MP into 100, which is discount percent. Okay, now numerical is like that. Question: an object marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. Find discount and discount percent. Okay. Question is, an object or any object from shop, an object marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 714. So find its discount and discount percent. Okay. Now from this given data, what is the given data? Given data is marked price. Marked at means marked price, which is equal to rupees 840. Okay. Now sold for rupees matlab selling price, which is equal to rupees 740. Okay. Marked price is given, selling price is given. From this formula we have to find the discount. So discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. So marked price is rupees 840 minus rupees 740. Okay. So discount is equal to rupees how much? 126. I got the discount. Okay. Now discount percent formula. Discount percent is equal to discount upon market price into 100. So discount I got rupees 126 upon market price 840 into 100, it is percent. So 10 get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, and 3 5s are remaining is 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So discount is 15%. Okay, very simple. Discount and discount percent. Understood? So these two formulas are very important. Take that. Now next we have to see profit and loss. Very important point. Next we have to see the profit and loss. Okay. Some important formula is related to that I want to give you. So write down that. Profit is equal to loss is equal to now see, under the profit and loss, these 6 formulas are very important for finding the answer or solving the numericals. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. SP means selling price, CP means cost price. In this case, if selling price is greater than cost price, in this case we got the profit. Okay, if selling price is greater than cost price, we got profit. And if selling price is less than cost price, we got loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percent is equal to profit upon 100 into cost price. Loss percent is equal to loss upon 100 into cost price. Selling price in terms of profit, 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price, and selling price in terms of loss percent, 100 minus loss percent upon 100 into cost price. Okay, so these are the different formulas. According to the numerical, we are going to use any one formula from this. Okay, now we have to see one simple numerical based on that. One numerical, Shyam bought Okay. Now see, very simple numerical. Shyam bought means खरीदा है a second hand refrigerator for rupees 250 and then spent then spent मतलब खर्चा किया ₹500 on its repair मतलब वो रिपेयर करने के लिए उसके 500 रुपए गए, and sold it for मतलब बेचा है उसने for ₹3,000. Find his loss or gain percent. Loss or gain means profit. Gain means profit. Now given data है हमारे पास. Given data I want to write रेफ्रिजरेटर खरीदा है मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या होगी उसकी ₹250 प्लस जो खर्चा क्या है वो कॉस्ट प्राइस में आएगा. कितना खर्चा क्या है ₹500. तो कितने हो गए ये ₹750. तो उसकी कॉस्ट प्राइस इतनी हो गई. व्हाई? बिकॉज जो उसने स्पेंड किया है 500 ऑन रेफ्रिजरेटर वो कॉस्ट प्राइस में ऐड होगा. नाउ सेलिंग प्राइस इज गिवन. सेलिंग प्राइस सोल्ड इट फॉर ₹3,000. ओके, कॉस्ट प्राइस मिल गई, सेलिंग प्राइस मिल गई. नाउ व्हिच इज ग्रेटर? सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर मींस प्रॉफिट इज देयर. ओके, सो प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. ये फॉर्मूला है. ओके, फॉर्मूला प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एसपी माइनस सीपी. तो एसपी इज ₹3,000 minus cost price is ₹750. So answer is how much? 3,000 minus 750. So 3,000. 1, 2, 3. 7, 0. 5, 2 and 2. Okay, so कितना 2,250. Okay, so it is the profit. Okay, ये profit हुआ. Now find its loss or gain percent. gain ही हुआ है उसको, profit हुआ है. Now profit percent. profit हुआ है तो profit percent which is equal to profit upon 100 into cost price. It is the formula. In that we have to put the values. So profit I got 2,250 upon 100 into cost price is ₹750. Okay. You have to solve and you got the profit percent. Okay. The 0 will cancel. This 0 will cancel. Only we have to multiply 225 into 75. That is the your profit percent. Okay, so very simple numerical and then the profit or loss. Only two formulas we have used here. Profit is equal to SP minus CP and second formula profit percent is equal to profit upon 100 into cost price. Okay. Thank you.